Hello everybody, how's it going? Bertoni here. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. And today I just want to show you a quick video, and is how to first set up your Zorin OS new system for you to use as a creative, a photographer, videographer after you install Zorin OS. In this case, you're going to open up the App Store from Zorin OS, okay? This is pretty much the same for all. What you're going to do is you go all the way down and you go in here in Codecs. Mas in Portuguese, so but it's the same. You see those codecs here, you have to install all of those. This should cover everything. It already has a lot built in, but those one you have to install for yourself, okay? So after you finish those codecs in Zorin OS, or in this case if you are using another Ubuntu distribution, what you're going to do, I'm going to leave a link down in the description for my software to help you. I present you guys Ubuntu Sauce, okay? It's supposed to help you install the codecs easily, okay? It's just a program you can download here, the .deb file, okay? For English version you have the EN here, the other one is in Portuguese. Então, pro pessoal que fala português, pode baixar isso. Okay, so here's the description what the program do, and if it doesn't work, I will leave the link in the description for you to use in the terminal to install. In this case, you're going to look for terminal, click enter, and you can paste here the code that I'm going to leave in the description. It will install the program, then you can use it. But if you already know how to use the terminal, I will also leave the link down in the description so you don't have to install the program and can do everything just using the terminal, okay? Oh, and I was forgetting, if you find any bug or problem during the installation or using the program, please let me know in the comments below. It helps a lot, okay? Now, that's all. Thank you so much and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.